For this procedure, we're going to remove and replace this pull rail on this slider window. Now, what we did for you is we removed the window off the unit and brought it into the bay so you could take a closer look at it. So the tools you'll need for this procedure are a rubber mallet, 2 blocks of wood, a longer one and a shorter one, a clean cloth, and 100% silicone. So the first step in the process is to open up this latch and open the window. Then what you're going to do is you're going to install that longer block of wood, place that inside the window up against the window frame, and then the shorter one on the other side and get that seesaw effect as you pull this off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to tap this shorter piece of wood until the pull rail starts to back away from the window. It might take a few taps to get that to start to pry away from the window, but once it opens up like that, go ahead and take the wood out, and then you just go ahead and pull the rail off with your hand. Now, there is a vinyl sheet of rubber that sits on top of the window and inside the rail, like that. This is a replaceable item. You can go ahead and save that because we're going to put that back in when we're done. So then what you're going to do is you're going to wipe off the top of that window and make sure that it's clean. If you have any rubbing alcohol, that might help as well. Make sure that's clean. Then it's ready to install the new pull rail. Now to install the new one, what you're going to do is you're going to either place that 100% silicone on top of the vinyl, or you can put it right inside the channel of the pull rail as well. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place that rubber vinyl on top of the window and go ahead and put my silicone inside the pull rail. I have that 100% silicone bead inside there, and then I'm going to place this inside that. Try to center it inside the pull rail. Then I'm going to go ahead and place that pull rail on the center of the window. Now what we can do is we can put that short block of wood inside there and shut the window, and we can tap that back into place. Now the latch works and everything is good.